Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how we can use our Android phone or any smartphone as a webcam for our computer or laptop. And this is completely free. So if you have a smartphone, then you can connect. We can use our mobile camera as webcam for the PC using USB cable, or we can also connect our mobile as a webcam to laptop using Wi-Fi. One may ask why we have to connect when we have already laptop. So laptops does not have that much good quality cameras. So whereas mobiles have good quality cameras nowadays. So we can use our mobile through USB cable as a webcam for a PC, or through Wi-Fi we can use webcam for a laptop even it has already integrated web camera. So how we can do all these things using a Iron webcam software. Okay, so how we do this, we'll see step by step. What we have to do is we have to install this software in mobile as well as our PC or desktop, whichever we are going to use it. Okay, and also we require USB cable if at all we want to connect to our desktop. And this desktop, why? Because most of our, as a teacher, we may not be having laptop, but at least institution we may be having desktop. So this will be very useful. We no need to purchase a separate webcam for this. Okay, so let me show you. Go to Google and just type Iron web. Okay, Iron webcam for PC. So you can see that this Iron webcam for PC. Okay, and yeah, here you can see that this is Iron webcam, and you just click on this. Once we click onto this official website, they have free version as well as pro version. Free version is most of the time sufficient. Okay, so now you can see that here we have webcam for Windows, webcam for Mac, and webcam for Linux, Ubuntu. Okay, so that means it supports all three Linux these operating systems, and we can also download from Google Play. Okay, so we download from, I explained for Windows, procedure is same for other operating systems also. You just click on this webcam for Windows. It's a around 6.4 MB file. You just save it. I have already saved it, and it is a exe file. Just save it and install it. Okay, so I'll cancel right now. Once we install this one from the desktop, now what we have to do is we have to install this same application on our smartphone. Okay, so let me show you that how we can do that. So if I go here, if I hope you can see my mobile. So go to Play Store. In Play Store, just type Iron. Okay, you can see here, this is Iron webcam. So you just type this Iron 4K webcam for PC, and for me you can see that here it is already Iron 4K webcam for PC. It is free. So I have already installed. So otherwise you have to install it. Once you install, you have to we have installed on mobile as well as we have installed on PC. Now we are ready to use it. I'm explaining through Wi-Fi. I have connected through Wi-Fi. Otherwise, if you don't have internet connection, then you can connect through your mobile USB cable. Okay, so I'll click on this open. Once I click on this open, this is the, you can see here, using camera. You can also optionally USB can be used to connect the cable. Okay, so you can see that optionally, that is what I said, we can connect it through cable also. Okay, now I'll click on this continue. Once we click on this continue, now it will wait for the desktop to. Okay, so let me go to my desktop. Here there is a logo here, Iron Webcam. So I'll click on this Iron Webcam. Once I click on this Iron Webcam, yes, now it is saying here webcam turns your phone. Now I will turn it from my mobile and I will press continue. The moment I press it, it says waiting for seconds, it is connected. Now you can see that I have connected. Okay, yes, so this is my mobile camera. Okay, right, you can see that I am having laptop. Okay. Fine. Now let it put it here. One may ask, what is the use of this one after connecting it? Obviously, wherever our webcam supports at all those platforms, instead of our webcam, we can use this. For example, I will show you how we can connect it to Zoom. So go to, I'll open Zoom and I'll click on new meeting. Here I have already selected as my web camera as Iron. So while connecting itself, it is showing this. Okay, yes. So now you can see this. So right now here, how you can select that? So if you go here and select this up arrow, here you have different cameras available, whichever is already installed on your computer. So if we select integrated camera, that means it is for normal laptop web camera. And so we are having PC, they may not be having that one. So we have to select this Iron web camera. So once we select, the moment we select, for example, so now you see that there is no video. So I'll select, the moment I select this, just a second, this Zoom disconnects in between. It will start in a second, right? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now I can go here and select Iron webcam. So the moment I select this Iron webcam, it and click this, now I am done. You can see that. Okay. So we have selected. That means I have connected my mobile camera to my PC, and then I have logged into Zoom using that my mobile web camera, right? So in this way we can use it in Zoom. It is same as using in Google Meet, or it is same as using in Microsoft Teams, like that, right? Okay, so let me end this. And not only this, we can also use it, this web camera, even in our OBS also. That means in OBS we can add more than one web camera. How many web cameras are attached to computer, laptop, that means we can add it. For example, here I'll go and add a video capture device. Then in this video capture device, I'll select um, click on OK. Okay, here I'll select the OBS, this Iron webcam. Okay, then I'll click on OK. The moment I select this, I'll put it a little smaller. Okay, and I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, now you can see that I am having two cameras, right? One connected through laptop and the other one connected through my mobile. Okay, if you want to explain something in two different dimensions, then you can start using such things. It is useful. It depends on, of course, how you want to use it, right? But in OBS also we can add different types of cameras, and how many cameras are available, that many we can add it, right? Fine. So this is quick about how we can add use this Iron web camera, and it is very useful. I hope, just a second, let me close that so that I can. So I hope you like how like this video, how to use this Iron webcam. Please share with maximum people, because most of the time we don't know. I personally suffered Initially, when I want to take lecture from my office where I have a PC but don't have laptop, at that time how we can immediately we cannot purchase webcam and all, and it is not feasible to purchase webcam for every desktop. Instead, we always have mobiles, so that mobile we can connect to desktop, means computer, through USB cable. Okay. So try to share with maximum people so that they will also get benefit of it. And finally, if you are not subscribed, you please subscribe it and ask your colleagues to subscribe, just so that I get more interest and I will bring another useful tools, especially ICT related for students, mainly teachers. Okay. Thank you all.